Can you sing? You want to sing, Oscar? You ready? Had a farm. E-I-O. Good bird. I don't think so. You're not really singing, are you? You got to work out? You going to work out first or are you going to sing first? What do you think, Oscar? Now he noticed that I came around the corner right by his house. So he decides he's not going to sing now. You're not going to sing? You want to sing? Oscar, you want to sing? You ready? You ready? Had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm. You want to sing? You ready? No, you don't want to sing? That's the extent of it right now? All right. We'll try it another time, but at least you got to hear him sing and talk just a little bit. He knows a lot more than what he's letting on. So we'll keep the camera handy, and if he starts talking again, then we'll roll tape on him. But there you have it, the Yellow Nape Amazon Parrot, Oscar.